So one day, while praying Maghrib in congregation, the Imam recited half of Surah Fatiha loudly in the third rakah, and then he became silent. At the end of the prayer, he did Sujood as-Sahu because he recited Fatiha loudly in the third rakah. But in Bangladesh, they do Sujood as-Sahu differently. They say the Tashahhud, then they say Salam on the right side only, and then give two prostrations. Then they again say Tashahhud, Durud, and then Taslim. So at that time, I knew that this is not the correct method, and also that we are not supposed to do Sujood as-Sahu for omitting a Sunnah, but I still followed the Imam because I was confused. After the Imam concluded the prayer, I gave two prostrations and offered Taslim individually. Is my prayer valid?
Your prayer is valid, but you were wrong in offering two Sujood as-Sahu on your own. You should have concluded the prayer with the Imam. Yes, the format which the Imam does in the Hanafi school of thought for forgetfulness is totally against the Sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ. It's not part of the Sunnah. The Prophet had never done such a thing. But because it's a reputable school of thought, we follow the Imam in whatever he does, and we offer salam and move on. You don't add anything afterwards on your own.